What if you could generate cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin right from your computer? Crypto mining is the backbone of the blockchain network, ensuring its security and rewarding participants with new coins. But how does that actually work? And what do you need to get started when it comes to mining? In this video, let's dive in to the fascinating world of crypto mining. So first, I'm going to talk to you about what mining actually is, then we're going to talk about this. This is NiceHash, and these guys allow you to mine very, very easily from your computer at home. So crypto mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain while creating new coins. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, ensuring the integrity and security of decentralized networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Essentially, what this means is you are solving problems with computing power and therefore being rewarded for it. And this is kept in a public ledger on the blockchain, which allows for the whole system of crypto and blockchain to work efficiently. Now, this is where NiceHash comes into it. NiceHash provides a platform where users can participate in crypto mining without owning any physical hardware. Its marketplace model connects sellers of hashing power with buyers, making mining accessible and efficient for all levels of participants. What this means is there will be people selling mining power, and there'll be people buying mining power to essentially earn money across the board here. And these guys, as you can see, have been doing this for 10 years now, so they know what they're doing. What we can say as well is they do have a fantastic website. They've actually got a very cool thing on their website here where you can actually calculate how much BTC or how much in dollar value you can earn per day simply by using these guys and simply by purchasing that mining power. Now, NiceHash have three main features that people love to use over other platforms out there. The first one is profit switching. This allows the system to automatically direct your resources to the most profitable mining opportunities. So if you do have a miner or you do have a powerful computer, you can actually use this system to mine the most profitable cryptos out there and actually make the most money out of your hardware. It's also got an incredibly easy user interface that's super easy for beginners and advanced users alike. As well as that, they have wide algorithm support, offering compatibility with a range of mining algorithms across the blockchain ecosystem. And the benefits of this, as you can see right here, we can see you start with 0.001 BTC. That's the minimum you would need to get going on this, which is like $100. Okay, and then from that point, you are good to go. There are no contracts, so you can cancel at any time if you do buy hash power with these guys, and it's the fastest delivery out there on the market. So as soon as you purchase this, you're going to have massive hashing power at your fingertips pretty much instantly. They also provide real-time statistics for people that do want to monitor their mining and monitor where their money is going. And we can see here they have different mining algorithms to generate the most amount of money. So here we can see the most popular algorithms here, right? So if you did want to use this first one, okay, you can generate potentially 6,000 BTC per day. And this next one is for Litecoin and Dogecoin, generating 3,000. And this other one here on Ravencoin generates nearly 14,000 per day here. These are incredible, and this is something that you should definitely take a look at in the description. The way this works is very, very simple, guys. Okay, so you purchase your mining power, okay, and then the miner will go in and then mine that for you using the software that you're essentially renting online. Then from that point, using the algorithms, using the whole system together, the crypto will be mined, and then the pool will pay out towards you, but also the miner as well. This just generally creates a system that is mutually beneficial to the miner and the buyer, and it allows you to secure the blockchain from your home. This essentially just creates a system where the miner and the buyer are both profitable here. It's a mutual arrangement. You're both getting profit from that, and you're helping secure the blockchain as well. They also have a system here where if you do have a retail store or an online store, you can actually use NiceHash Pay and get rewarded for that by getting paid in Bitcoin using the Lightning Network. This is a really cool feature, and again, just adds to the credibility of these guys where they're scaling not just from mining, but they're scaling to other industries across the financial blockchain world. Here we can see their profitability calculator, and if we were just going to put 12 hash rate in there, and then we just press calculate here, we can see that this would spit out, after I've purchased this hash rate per day, right, it would spit out $753 per day just from this cloud mining system. This is something that is incredible, and this is something that just having this profit calculator really just allows you to know what you're getting into before you do go ahead and start this mining process. So in summary here, guys, NiceHash that was established 10 years ago in 2014 is a super trusted platform in the industry. Okay, it's got features like profit switching and a robust marketplace, and it enables efficient, profitable mining operations for both the miner and the buyer. So if you want to check it out, go ahead in the description. They've got some really cool calculators here that you can use to really determine how much you invest, how much you get, and how easy the whole process is. All right, so that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. Let me know in the comments what you think about this kind of mining system. I think it's amazing. It's going to be great for the future of blockchain technology. But have a fantastic day. That is going to be it from me. Cheers.